Hi everyone, my name is Kirsten Graham and I'm a physical education student at Salisbury University. And today we are going to take you through how to do the sit and reach test of a portion of your fitness gram test. So the first thing is we're going to go over what we're going to need. So you will need a sit and reach box if you're in a school where you have access to it, as well as your fitness gram recording sheets to write down our results. And then if you don't have access to a sit and reach box, that's not a problem. You can easily use a ruler and a shoebox or step to set up something that is very similar to the box. And our fitness component focus of the sit and reach test is flexibility, mostly on our hamstrings and our lower back, which is the muscle that is highlighted in the blue. And flexibility is something that is super important because it's essentially what keeps our bodies mobile. It helps us keep a good posture as well as maintain good muscle coordination, and it reduces our risk of injuries. So now I'm going to play a quick video that is going to show you how to do the sit and reach test.
All right, guys, for this test, what you're going to do is you're going to take your shoes off, place them to the side, and get ready to do the sit and reach test. So when you're doing the sit and reach test, what you want to do is you want to get close to your box. You're going to extend one leg to the end of it, kind of flat with your knee just bent, and bring this other leg to you, like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to reach 4 times. On the last time, you're going to hold it for 1 second. You're going to repeat that. So like this. You're going to go 1. See how far you can get? 2, 3. And then on the 4th one, you're going to hold it for 1 second. You're going to mark where your score is, and then repeat on this leg. So it's going to look like this. Bring your left leg in, right leg out, and you're going to do the same thing. 3, and then hold for the 4th for 1 second. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And mark it. Have somebody mark that for you, and then that's how you know how good your hamstring and lower back flexibility is.
Okay, and then the next video is going to show you guys how to set up the sit and reach box if you do not have access to one at school.
So to set up the sit and reach, there's a couple things you're going to need. One is a tape measure or ruler, yardstick, anything that's going to help you measure the distance out. All right. Second thing you're going to need, one is if you don't have any steps in your home, you can use shoe boxes, any box. You can even flip over a chair. That should do the trick. So we're going to use shoe boxes here. What you're going to do is you're going to place them up against the wall here. All right. And then the last thing you need to get all set up is all you're going to do is just take your shoes off, set these off to the side, and then you are all set for the sit and reach fitness testing.
And so basically what you need to do is you need to set up something that looks like the picture that I put in that's at least about 12 inches high so you can do the test.
So
And in terms of scoring, it is a lot easier if you have a partner or a friend or a parent to help you see where your fingertips touch. But if you don't, that's no big deal. So you want to measure where your fingertips touch to the nearest ½ inch. You should have 2 measurements, one for your right foot and one for right side, and one for your left side. And you can go ahead and record those numbers on your fitness gram testing sheets. And it's pretty important that we don't try to go past 12 inches because when you do that, you can increase your risk of injuries, and we don't want that. And so now it's time to actually do the test. So just remember the 6 steps. The first one is to take off your shoes. The second one is to pick a foot and place it flat on the sit and reach box, and you want to bend the opposite side. You want to place one hand on top of the other, slowly reach forward about 4 times and make sure you hold that 4th time for at least a second, and record the highest measurement that the tips of your fingertips or the tips of your fingers touch to the nearest ½ inch, and then you can go ahead and repeat that on the other side. And we have a gift here to refer if you forget. Good luck.